In 1963, at the age of 29, Akio Takeuchi founded Takeuchi Manufacturing in Nagano, Japan. Early on, he learned that by listening to customers and understanding their needs, he would be able to achieve one of the most important factors for success: customer satisfaction. A few years later, a local business partner and builder approached Mr. Takeuchi and asked him to develop a machine that would help his employees do their jobs faster, easier, and with less manual labor. The result of this request was the world's very first compact excavator. Over the years, Takeuchi Manufacturing continued to grow, developing new innovations and, in 1986, the first compact track loader.
先を見てどうなるか想像しながら新しいものを発想していく力。15年前に誰も電気なんて復旧するなんて思ってなかったのが、そういう発想が生まれて独創的なアイディアで、今の製品になった。会長は社殿の中で挑戦っていうのが一番大事にしてると思うんですけど、挑戦っていうのは最初から諦めない。
Mr. Takeuchi established a corporate motto and business philosophy based on his customer-centric, need-based vision. The Takeuchi Way embraces the spirit of creation, challenge, and cooperation with a focus on environmental stewardship and positive societal contributions.
Mr. Takeuchi formed a team to create the best machine in the world. I remember to meet a man with a vision, a man with a mission. Still, today, Mr. Takeuchi, you show the world that you believe in the future.
Mr. Takeuchi has always believed in the power of teamwork. He says there's virtually no limit to what dedicated people can accomplish together.
人のモノマネじゃダメだっていうことでね、絶えずこういう仕事機械化できねえかとか、これで困ってるからなんとかそのね助けようっていうか、機械化して楽にしようとか、そういうことを絶えず考えてね、そういう信念っていうか、それは大事だなと思うね。
Today, Takeuchi Manufacturing continues to provide equipment designed to make short work of tough jobs. And Mr. Takeuchi still believes that when you put your customers' needs first, success will follow.
We're fortunate to learn from Mr. Takeuchi his willingness to listen to the customer, solve their problems, and create long-term values. I don't speak the same language as Mr. Takeuchi, but through his actions and deeds, I've been able to learn these values. Mr. Takeuchi, congratulations. Kaicho, omedetou gozaimasu.
We would like to congratulate and welcome Mr. Akio Takeuchi to the AEM Hall of Fame.